All right, this is going to be the Andy Griffith Show theme song. So we're going to start out with some 2 strums each on some chords. We got C, C7, 9, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3. And then I'm going to do this F shape like this. Just 5 strings, muting the big one. Because I'm going to go to an F minor right after that. It's kind of easy to switch those two. So C to C9, F to F minor, C to A minor, G to G7. With that one I'm doing, flipping this around, getting that 1 down here, and I'm muting the A string. You could throw that 2 in there if you wanted, but it's kind of a quick one. C, C9, F, F minor, and then C to the G, and then C to G bass with a G. So all together we got C to C9, F, F minor, C to A minor, G to G7, C to C9, F, F minor, C to G, and then C to C with a G bass. And then we have this little pickup phrase. So we got open and 2, and this is a capo on the 3rd fret, by the way. Open to 2 on the G string to the 1st fret of the B string there. So we got. Okay, then we start part A. So the part A is going to be like. So we're going to have the bass of the C chord and then the rest of the C chord and then the 5th string and the 1st string at the same time. So we got C bass and then it's chord. And then we got the 5th string, that's C bass again with the little pinky down here in the 3rd fret of the little string. And then we're going to have a thing. So we have this 3 here on the D string. And we're going to pull off this 1 to 0. When we pull that one off, that's when we hit the bass. So it's. So I hit this by itself, this 1. And as I pull it off, I hit that 3 on the D bass. So we got. And then we got 1st fret of the 2nd string. Now we're going to switch this 3 again on the bottom, but 1 here on the 3rd string. And then we're going to get a C bass here and do that same thing with the 1 pull off. Okay, so altogether that was. And then we have the A bass with this 2 on the G string to the 1 on the 2nd string. And then we're going to have a 3 in the bass with a 4th fret of the 2nd string and a slight bend on that. And then we have open G to the 3rd fret B string. So we got. Then we're going to have a D bass after that. So we have. Back to that pickup phrase. So we got. Now we have part B. So that was D string with the 3rd fret here on the 2nd string, and then 2 to 1 on the G to B strings. And then we're going to have the C chord, G bass, and then the pickup again. So all together from the top pickup. Then we start part A again. Now we have part C. We have a D major chord. So that's going on the D chord, 1st string with the D bass, also at the same time. 2nd string, back up to 1st string, and then this 3 by itself, and then you get into the G chord to the G7. So that was. Back to the pickup, part A. going back to that part B again. And then it has a new pickup. And then we're going into like the chorus or the bridge, whatever you want to call it. So we're going to have this. This is part B again. G bass. And then a new pickup. That's a 1 and 3 on the second string. To the little string open. Then we're going to have this big F. So we have the big 1 over here and the little 5. And then we go to this 3 here on the 5th string. And then we slide the 4 to the 5 there. And we kind of let this pinky come back to that 3 right there. We're going to have. So that was a C bass, and then the little 3 strings coming back to a G bass with those same 3 strings. So it's. So it's 3 times of that. I'll do that one more time real slow. So. Now we have part E. So that's going down the D string with the D bass and the little string at the same time. Open on the little one, and then an A bass to alternate the bass, and then a little 2. Okay, so that's a little part E. Then it's going to be followed up with. So that's a G bass, and then a little 3 to the open second string, 2 open, 1 open. So all of part E is like. And then we have the pickup note again, back into part A. And then we're going to go right into part C here. A. Part B. With that new pickup going into the chorus thing. Big 1. Part E. Back to part A. And now here we're going into this G7. I'm doing a 3 and a 1 on the bottom 2 there, muting the A string. So it ends up being 3, mute, and then open, open, 3, 1. And then we're going to a C with a G bass. So that's 3, 3, 2, open, 1, open. And that's the whole tune. So let me see if I can get through this whole thing. Griffith Show theme song, The Fishing Pole. Hope you dug that. Gonna have a tab on this. Please like and subscribe. Welcome to Damon Wood Guitar Lessons. We'll see you soon.